Hello student, welcome once again your chemistry sections. Now today start with your next topic. The name of article is here importance of pH in everyday life. Basic role of your pH in everyday life. First is are the plant and animals pH sensitive? You all know that. What is your pH scale? So basic definition is here pH scale is for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in solution is called pH scale. Okay, so under this articles importance of pH in everyday life, that's our body work within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. Our body work with the pH range is your 7 to 7.8. Living organism can survive only a narrow range of pH change. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, that is called as acid rain or acidic rain, because the rain of pH is your less than 5.6, so that's why they called as acidic rain. When acid rain flow into the rivers and it's lower the pH of the river water, and the survival of aquatic life in such river become difficult. So that's why are the plant and animals pH sensitive. So next is your what is the pH of the soil in your backyard? Plants require a specific pH range for the healthy growth. And to find out the pH required for healthy growth of plant, and you collect the soil in various places and check the pH in manners described below the activity, and also note down the plants and growing in the region for which you have collected the soil. You can take a different soils and you can easily check and record it the what is the pH value of soil in different categories. So here activity, put 2 gram of soy in test tube and add the 5 ml of water to it. Shake the content of the test tube. Filter the content and collect the filtrate in a test tube. Check the pH of this filtrate with the help of universal indicator paper. What can you conclude about the ideal soil pH for growth of the plant in your region? Okay, so this is the basic activities based on an experimentation based. So for the particular healthy growth for the plant, so must be required your pH value of soil is good, so that's why they grow with healthy and exactly improvement. But in case of your soil the pH value is less or higher, that is not required for your plant, your plant growth is not a particular. So next is your article under the importance of pH in everyday life. pH in our digestive system. It is very interesting to note that our stomach produce hydrochloric acid, and it help in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produce too much acid, and this cause pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people's use basis is called antacid or milk of magnesia. One such remedy must has been suggested by you at the beginning of this chapter. The name of this medicine is your milk of magnesia. This antacid neutralizes the excess of acid, magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia, a mild base, and is often used for this purpose. This article states that when you feel acidity, means your stomach is more acid in your presence, so that's why they uh, generate you feel pain irritations due to the acidity. So you can remove this acidity by using the medicine of antacid and milk of magnesia, that is your basic nature of base, and you can easily neutralize through acid and base to form a to relieve a acidity. And you all know that when the acid and base react to neutralize in the salt formation. Okay. So next is your pH as the cause of tooth decay. Tooth decay starts when the pH of mouth is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamels made up of calcium hydroxyapatite, a crystalline form of calcium phosphate, and it is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water but is formed when the pH of this mouth is below 5.5. Bacteria present in mouth produced acid by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. The best way to prevent this to clean the mouth after eating the food and using toothpaste, which are generally basic for cleaning the teeth and can neutralize the excess of acid and prevent your tooth decay. Okay. So it states that कि your you eat the food in night, then after brushing, then you clean the teeth after eating the food. So you can prevent your tooth decay. But in case of do not this method followed, you can your tooth can easily decay. So next is your self defense by animals and plant through chemical warfare. Have you ever seen stunning by honey bee sting, leaves and acid which cause pain and irritation? Use of mild base like baking soda and on the stung area give the relief. Sting here and the needle leaves inject methanoic acid and causing the burning of pain. Okay. So next is your nature provides a neutralization option. Nettle is a herbaceous plant and which grow in the wide area. Nettle plant stands for your bichu booty. Its leaves have stinging hair and which cause the painful sting when touched accidentally. This is due to the methanoic acid secreted by them. A traditional remedy is rubbing with your area the leaf of duck plant, that is your basic nature. This is your acidic nature, which often grow besides the nettle in the wild. Can you guess the nature of the dog plant? And so next time you know what to look out for if you accidentally and touch the nettle plant. And while tracking, are you aware of any other effective traditional remedy for such sting? ओके. सो दिस इज अ बिच्छू पोटी. जब ये आपको टच होएगी तो उसमें होता है मिथेनॉइक एसिड प्रेजेंट, एंड दिस मिथेनॉइक एसिड प्रेजेंट you can remove by using the dog plant. Dog plant is the presence of basics. So these two, acid and basic nature, neutralized and to relieve the pain of nettle plant. So here are some examples for your natural occurring acid, that is a natural source acid, natural source or a acid. Vinegar present your acetic acid, orange present your citric acid, tamarind your present tartaric, tomato oxalic acid, sour milk means curd, that is present is your lactic, lemon is your citric, ant sting your methanoic, and nettle sitting is your methanoic acid. So this is your journal example, and you all know about this your natural occurring the acid. So remember that which natural source you present your acid. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.